ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦਿਸ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਆਫ ਦ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸ਼ੋ। ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਿਆਨੀ ਸਵਰਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਪੰਥ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਨਾਮਵਰ ਕਥਾਵਾਚਕ ਨੇ, ਕੀਰਤਨੀ ਨੇ, ਤੇ ਇਹ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਲਈ ਸੈਮੀਨਾਰਸ ਵੀ ਕਰਾਇਆ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਕਿ ਪਾਠ ਕਰਨਾ ਰੋਜ਼ ਕਿਉਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ, ਨਿਤਨੇਮ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਨਸੈਪਟ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਵਾਈ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਡੂ ਪਾਠ ਡੇਲੀ। ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਫੋਕਸ ਹੈ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਸਕੇ। ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਪੀਟ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈਣੇ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਅਨੁਸਾਰ ਕਿ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਉਪਦੇਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹ ਨਿਤਨੇਮ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ ਹੈ। ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਗਿਆਨੀ ਸਵਰਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦਾ। ਜੀ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। So today if you could elaborate and tell us that why should we do Nitnem daily? What is the importance of Nitnem? Again, why is it necessary that you repeat the same thing again and again?
It's a very simple answer. Every year, every country celebrates their Independence Day.
Yeah.
Why do they do that again, same thing? Only to keep the people reminding.
Right.
That this day is very important. And the same thing is why we should only say our boy, please don't create any problem. We should say only once.
Right.
But you are repeating all the time. Why the teacher is repeating their children again and again same thing?
Ji.
Be good person, be a good person. Why we are just singing these things? Jan Gan Man, why the people are singing every day in the school? So that means if we are repeating those things which are related to the worldly system, and also when I eat roti, and I same roti, two rotis, whatever, again I eat in the evening and in the morning, why we should do that? And also, why do you should take bath every day, the same bath? So that means why do you brush your teeth every day?
Right.
So the same, because if we do not brush our teeth every day, you will lose your teeth.
Right.
When you do not take bath every day, there might be too much dirt, and your body will be dirty, and it will give bad smell, and maybe some germs over there. So the same idea about our mind.
Right.
So about our mind, we need continuous education. Mind is such a powerful force which has to be watched not only 3 days, 4 times a day, 3 times a day. It should be watched
Every moment.
Every moment.
Right.
In Islam, they are just doing namaz 5 times a day,
Right.
so that they should not forget Allah. The Sikhism, even in the Hinduism, they have in the morning time aarti and the evening time aarti. These things are. So the same thing in every religion.
Right.
They sing hymns, and the same way Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave us Gurbani. Gurbani is an ocean of knowledge.
Right.
And the knowledge should not be forgotten. Our mind, when living in the knowledge continuously, will never be mistaken, will never be misguided. We have to keep our mind update all the time by pushing or supporting our mind according to the knowledge which we have to maintain.
Right.
In computer, we have securities. You know the program.
Right.
And why we should have that security all the time? To watch the virus.
Right.
To watch the attack on the computer.
Right.
And it's always alert. Why we should do the same thing all the time? So to keep our program defended.
Right.
To keep the whole knowledge and the data safe.
Right.
So to keep your mind safe, and to keep your Atma safe, to keep your deeds safe, you need to continue this fence of knowledge around your mind. Our mind should be always be, which I believe, should be occupied. And mind is always occupied.
Right.
if you do not occupy your mind with the good things, ultimately your mind will be occupied with the bad things.
Absolutely.
So therefore, if your mind is occupied with the powerful forces of God's forces,
The negative forces. won't
negative
come.
forces will not be allowed to enter that.
Right.
So therefore, I have clarified on your first question.
Absolutely.
That we need part to keep our mind protected from the five evils and their temptations.
Right.
Because five evils are also very powerful.
Right.
And the main powerful out of this, the main commander of these five gangs is the ego.
Right.
And ego is I am, and mine. So if you control the ego,
Right.
then you can control all other five forces, also evil forces. So therefore, these days, the people are thinking that why we should do part again and again, as you mentioned at the beginning. You had also the same question. What is the use, right? And also these people arrive at this decision without doing any research of it. They make this decision, they do not make any research. So these people, the people do part, my dear, every day, and repeating it. They think that these people are of old type. Look here, what happens today. Early in the morning, your child, he does not even take bath. He does not even take the morning breakfast. He is sitting in front of the TV and watching the cartoons or the other movies. So his life starts with those things which are not in the long run beneficial to your child.
Right.
That's also dangerous to the health also. Rather than to do that, why should not we should ask our child to take the bath and nicely dressed up and do the part and then take the breakfast?
Right.
But we do not have in our homes, we do not have this kind of discipline.
Absolutely. So how to create that discipline? Because as you very rightly mentioned, with discipline, then only you can succeed in life, and that is why the gurus also said that we should, our Nitnem, our Rahat Mein Rehta tells us to do this Bani again, read it again and again every day, so that we remain free from these viruses of Kaam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh and Ahankar.
Right.
We'll continue with the discussion after this small break.
Okay.
ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਜੋ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਪਾਠ ਕਰਨਾ ਰੋਜ਼ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੈ, ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਇਹ ਸਵਾਲ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਕਿਰਤ ਜੋ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਖਾਣਾ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਬ੍ਰਸ਼ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਸੌਣੇ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਹੈਗੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੌਨਸਟੈਂਟ ਬੈਟਰਿੰਗ ਹੋਵੇ, ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਉਸ 'ਤੇ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਬਾਣੀ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਪੈ ਸਕੇ, ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਾਮ, ਕ੍ਰੋਧ, ਲੋਭ, ਮੋਹ, ਹੰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਵਾਇਰਸਿਸ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਚ ਸਕੀਏ। ਵਾਪਸ ਆ ਕੇ ਹੋਰ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਰਹੇਗੀ। ਵੇਖਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਦ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸ਼ੋ।
ਘਰ ਇੱਕ ਐਸੀ ਥਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਹਰ ਕੋਈ ਆਪਣੀ ਨਿੱਜੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਸੁਨਹਿਰੀ ਪਲ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰਿਆ ਜੀਵਨ ਬਤੀਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਪੂਰੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਦ ਕਿਸੇ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਨੂੰ ਸਜੇ ਹੋਏ ਘਰ 'ਚ ਬਦਲਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ। ਨਵੇਂ ਘਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਰੇਮਿੰਗ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਫਿਨਿਸ਼ਿੰਗ ਤੱਕ, ਡ੍ਰੇਪਰੀ, ਪੇਂਟਿੰਗਸ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਡੈਕੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਅਸੈਸਰੀਜ਼ ਤੱਕ, ਤੁਸੀਂ SK ਹੋਮ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੁਪਨਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਹਕੀਕਤ 'ਚ ਬਦਲ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕਰੋ ਸੰਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ 6048259295।
ਸੋ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ। ਗਿਆਨੀ ਸਵਰਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਹੀ ਸਰਲ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਮਝਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਪਾਠ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟਸ ਨੇ। ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਜੋ ਹਨ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਸਕਣ। ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਗਿਆਨੀ ਸਵਰਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦਾ। ਸੋ ਗਿਆਨੀ ਜੀ, ਬਿਫੋਰ ਦ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਲਾਈਕ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨਿੰਗ ਦੈਟ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਨੈਸੈਸਰੀ ਅਗੇਨ ਐਂਡ ਅਗੇਨ your mind should be empowered with these positive thoughts of Bani. So how to start doing it? Because you were saying in our homes we don't have that kind of environment. Today everybody is busy. Mothers don't have time. Of course, fathers are going for work, or mother is also going for work. So when we say that the child should get up, dress up and do part, but this practice is not followed. So how to make sure that our children also get aligned with Bani?
It's very simple. The parents are the role model for their children.
Right.
If the parents do, ultimately the children will also do. If you do not allow them to do anything else before they finish their Nitnem.
Right.
And in some homes, it's well disciplined
Right.
also. But most of the people, they don't care. They said we will go to Gurdwara on Sunday. That's finished.
Absolutely,
So therefore, there are many. Harpreet Singh ji, there are many educated people, even the professors and the lecturers of even of the six schools. They also badly misguided about that.
Right.
Our people, rather than to do part in the morning, they just prefer to read newspaper.
Right.
And on the newspaper, the headlines mostly are
Always
negative.
negative, yeah.
And they will take your mind not to be settled, but mind will be totally upset, or that mind should be scattered also.
Right.
Because the controlled mind has the power, and uncontrolled and scattered mind has no power, or it becomes powerless.
Right.
So therefore, they prefer, I told you, even in the morning time, rather than do part, they watch TV or whatever. But in the evening, rather than to do the rarest part, they go to the movies, they go to the parties,
Right.
and they miss the raras. Many families these days, I believe that they do not do part in the evening, but they should have the company of the people and enjoy other entertainments.
Right.
So which we are lacking. Our mind is living without the real spiritual life. We are lacking. So therefore, which I'm going to guide those misguided people today, which you ask me about their misunderstanding in this matter. I believe that every educated person cannot be perfect in all respects.
Right.
The French philosopher Rousseau said, it is the wrong education that spoils the whole humanity. And it is true.
Right.
Today you will find more cheater than 50 years ago. You will find more dishonest people
Then before.
than 50 years before.
Right.
And remember, in my college time, there was an article. They asked us, is the world making progress? Then we have to answer that. The world is not making progress. It's only changing.
Right.
And it is true. That means this is my belief on the basis of my experience, that the part of Gurbani always helps us to purify and concentrate our mind.
Ji.
That's the first thing you should try. But I told you, through the tongue, through the ear, through the brain, and then come to the mind. So that process must be done, and if you do that, you will find the difference. You will feel, oh my God, my mind is changing. I'm not the same person as I was 50 years ago.
Right.
Because the religion has to change your attitude. And how can you change your life?
Right.
Change your mind, you will change your life.
Right.
So therefore, the thinking is changed, thoughts are changed, and thoughts are the sum total of your thoughts is called mind.
Yeah.
So therefore, our mind is always scattered and drowned in its own waves of desires
Ji.
of different nature. These waves always keep our mind disturbed and unstable. Our mind is always under stress.
Right.
Everybody, I have too much stress. And if you are in stress, you will be in confusion. And with the confusion, you will have an anxiety.
Right.
And with the anxiety, you will have so many worries and fear in your mind. And also, the next stage will be, which I believe, that will be depression. And the depression can go to the, which I call, we have blood pressure after that. Blood pressure can also change you in many other diseases, but they start from your mind.
Absolutely everything is related to the
We
mind.
cannot get rid of all these frictions and attain full peace. And we are seeking for the peace.
Right.
But peace is not in your dollars. Peace is not in your house. Everything which you get from the materialistic life will give you happiness for a very short time.
Right.
But after that,
It's gone.
your excitement is finished. But this is the best thing
Right.
which will give you excitement for your whole life. And not only happiness, but you will get complete bliss within yourself. So
Right.
therefore, part can help you to give you complete bliss. "E man mereya, tu sada raho naale." It reminds you,
Right.
ਹਰ ਨਾਲ ਰਹੋ ਤੂੰ ਮਨ ਮੇਰੇ ਦੁੱਖ ਸਭ ਵਿਸਾਰਨਾ ਰਿਮਾਈਂਡ ਯੂ ਅੰਗੀਕਾਰੋ ਕਰੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਕਾਰਜ ਸਭ ਸਵਾਰਨਾ ਰਿਮਾਈਂਡ ਯੂ
Right.
ਸਭਨਾ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸਮਰੱਥ ਸੁਆਮੀ ਸੋ ਕਿਉ ਮਨ ਵਿਸਾਰੇ ਰਿਮਾਈਂਡ ਯੂ ਕਹੇ ਨਾਨਕ ਮਨ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਦਾ ਰਹੋ ਨਾਲੇ ਰਿਮਾਈਂਡ ਯੂ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਆਵਰ ਮੈਮਰੀ ਇਜ਼ ਵੈਰੀ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ
Absolutely, and that is the reason that, as you have said, stress that the advantages of doing part are numerous. So you cannot just negate it and say, if you have done it for one day, it's done. We need to get back into this routine, and I would definitely, kind of praise our Muslim brothers and sisters who make it a point that they do the 5 namaz, and they also take their children also, even from the schools. I have seen them taking them to their religious places, to the mosque, and after the prayers they are sent back to the school. So this repetition of part is a beginning, because that is how your mind starts getting that positive signals, and then after that, just now you told us before also, the je ko khave je ko punche. So first is eating, and then is to digest it, and once you have the digestion, then definitely you start following. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you very much for your time.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ,
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਸੋ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਪਾਠ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ। ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਦੁਹਰਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਬੜਾ ਵਾਂਡਰ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇੱਧਰ ਉੱਧਰ ਭੱਜਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਨੂੰ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਸੋਚ ਹੈ, ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਬਚਨ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਤੇ ਭਾਰੂ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਗਿਆਨੀ ਸਵਰਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਪਾਠ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੋਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਬੈਠ ਜਾਏ ਕਿ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਮੈਸੇजेस ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਮਾਈਂਡ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਕਿ ਰੋਜ਼ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਅਟੈਕ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਦਾ, ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਘਟਦੀ ਜਾਏਗੀ। ਇਹ ਹੈ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਸਟੈਪ, ਤੇ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਾਈਜੈਸਟ ਵੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ।